If Safari shows a "Website Not Allowed" error or can't open certain pages on your MacBook Neo, here are a few quick fixes you can try. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Turn your Wi-Fi off and back on and check if that helps. Also, incorrect date and time can cause this issue. Go to System Settings, then General, then Date and Time. Turn on Set Automatically so it matches your current location. This is especially important if you're traveling. If the problem is still there, try opening the same website in another browser. If it works there, but not in Safari, then the issue is likely with Safari itself. Next, check Screen Time settings. Go to System Settings, scroll down to Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. You can either turn it off completely or go into App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Under Web Content, make sure it's set to Unrestricted. Now, open Safari. From the Safari menu, click on Clear History. Choose a time range and clear it. This will also remove cache on the browser. Then click on the Apple logo, choose Force Quit, select Safari, and close it completely. Relaunch Safari, and now you should be able to open your preferred website. Thanks for your time.